Big batch Italian stromboli is the perfect recipe to feed a group of hungry humans. I'll start by dicing a cooking onion along with a green pepper. Now, to a pan, I'll add some oil along with some lean ground beef and those veg and brown it all up. For this, I'll use store-bought pizza dough because it's so easy. And then I'll just spread it out on a sheet pan till it fully covers the pan and top that with grated cheese. Back in the meat, I'll add some frozen spinach, and when it's cooked and wilted, drain it really well. To that, I'll add oregano, chili flakes, pepper, and salt, along with some passata or strained tomatoes. Now for the fun part. We'll place that mixture all over the cheese and get rolling. Be sure to tuck the ends in so everything stays tight and neat inside. Score it, add a few sesame seeds, and pop it in the oven for 25 minutes. Delish.